In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this cheeseburger pots from Animal Kingdom. Hey guys, my name is Mark and welcome on the channel Touch of Magic. We would appreciate it if you subscribe on the channel and like this video. Hit that notification bell so you will update it when we upload a new video. Today we're gonna make our own interpretation of the cheeseburger pots from Animal Kingdom. Making the pots contains 3 steps. First step we're gonna do is making the dough. The second step is making the filling. And the third step and final step in this process is making the pots self. Let's start with the first step, making the dough. We are making the dough for bowl buns. Put the flour into a large bowl. Next, yeast, sugar and last but not least, water. Mixed into a dough, adding a little water if needed. Knead the dough with a food processor or by hand a couple of minutes. The dough needs to be smooth. The dough is kneaded enough, so let it rest for 10 minutes under the towel. In the meantime, we're gonna make our second step, the filling. Cook the ground meat over a medium-high heat. Season with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Reduce the heat to a medium and add the ketchup, mustard and relish. We made the relish ourselves, but you can buy this in the supermarket or on the internet. Let's simmer for a minute or 2. Add the cheddar cheese. We use slices instead of shredded cheese. There is no difference. Stir until the cheese melted and combined. Roll the dough out into a little flat dish that's slightly smaller than your hand. Add enough filling because the dough grows while steaming. We use a big tablespoon. Fold the buns to a close. You can do it by pinching the corners of the dish together. Make sure there are no holes or your bun will open while steaming. Place the dough on a piece of parchment paper and let it rest for an hour. The dough with filling has rest for an hour, so let's start with the final step, cooking them or steaming them. Load the steamer pan but not overcrowd the pan because the pots will grow. We add 3 pots in the pan because we had really big pots. Let the dough cook for 15 minutes. Be careful when putting the pots out, because they are really hot. The cheeseburger pots are ready and delicious. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, we appreciate that, and like this video. So we're gonna say bye.